Whoa! Corosaurus! What are you doing? Incredible! Paleontologists were right. You can make huge noises. But why are you making huge noises? Did you use your honk to call another Prehistoric over? You did! But why? Dino! Just a second, Mom! Think. What's so interesting to the Corosaurus about our van? The salad stuff! Now I know how to quiet you two down. Looks like we're not having as much lettuce tonight. Want it? Then go get it! That should keep you quiet for a bit. My brother is trying to sleep. Can you go honk somewhere else? Looks like your friend is trying to sleep too. What are you honking at now? Oh! You need to wake up your friend and get out of here. The Giganotosaurus is one of the largest predators of all time. Wait, is that why you've been honking? Trying to warn your friend about the Giga? Unfortunately, the only thing you're waking up is my cute baby brother. Dana! And my tired, angry mom. The Giga sees you! You need to get out of here, but your friend isn't waking up. Think, Dana, think. How do I make a louder noise? Wake up! Wake up, Corosaurus! It worked!
Dana, were you honking your bike horn?
I can explain. You two are back? What are you honking about now? Are you trying to prove who's the strongest? You are! Oh, you're also proving really good at waking up my baby brother.
Dana, seriously?
Have to get you two to quiet down. Think, Dana, think. Mom said animals make loud noises to prove who's the strongest so they can be the leader. You must both want to be the leader. So the only way to quiet you down is to figure out who the leader is. Unfortunately for both of you, I like to lead. I did it! And as your new leader, I'm honking for you to go. You were right. Can I hold Dexter? Predators compete with sound, but it's no use when Big Sis is around. I stopped the dinos from making a peep because baby brother and mom deserve their sleep.
You are lucky you're so cute when you sing. Come on. Oh, I'll make you some lunch. Did you get the salad stuff?
Not yet. Science got in the way again. And I had to use some of the lettuce. But it was for Dexter.
Of course it was.
No, it really was.